Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I make this beautiful pearl beaded bag. Stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so you will need your beads, of course, your scissors, and then your thread, 0.7 mm nylon fishing line. Okay, so we will make the handle first, and then as you can see I have already made some few pieces. You will need 7. Okay, so I have 6 here, so I'm going to do the 7th one, which is actually going to be bigger than these ones because it's going to be in the middle, and that is where the client is going to hold as the handle. Okay, so you start by using the normal usual beaded matting method. Okay, so you can watch. I know that is not new for you, and that is actually why I didn't show from the very beginning how I made the bag, because I know it is very easy for you guys to do. Okay, so to make this ring for the handle, I actually use 2 methods to do it. Okay, so the first method is what you're watching me doing. Okay, so you do it too, and then you go over it, and then you build it up, or you do the 1-1 crossing, that is a bead matching chain, and then you come back and then you do the second line, and that will be complete. So this is the first line, sorry, the first method that I am doing. Okay, and then in no time I will show you the second method, which you can actually use to do this bag. Okay, sorry to do this handle. I always say I'm not good at voiceovers, but recently there has been a whole lot of noise, all around. So if I make the video, I'll have to mute all the sound and then re-record it, or do voiceovers like I'm doing. Okay, so this is the second method. You can start by doing the bead matching chaining, and then you do the second line, and then you are good to go. Okay, so here, as you are seeing, I made it just 2, and so when I join it I will just have 3-sided ring. Okay, but you can actually make it 3, and then when you join it you have 4. Okay, so that is it. I have 2 by 18. Okay, and then like I said, the previous ones that I have done, they are 17, and then I'm going to make this 19, so I made it 18 rather. And so when I finish joining it like I am doing, and then join it to form the ring, it will be up to 19. Okay, you can make yours much better. You can make the side ones even 19. Okay, and then make the middle one bigger than them, so maybe like 23, 24. That's because the middle one is where the user is going to hold as the handle. Okay, so it's just up to you. Yeah, so please, if you're watching this video and then you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So I am done joining it, and as you can see, it is 3-sided, okay, tube or something like, but you can make it 3, and then when you join it, it will be 4-sided tube. Okay, so if you are making another one for the side, we will just put it inside and then join it like that. But because this is in the middle, you will have to put one side, both the 2 sides on it, and then you join it. Okay, so you see what I'm doing, and then you join it like that. It's not difficult at all if you pay attention to it. I don't know, here the sun failed me, it's not that clear. It's too bright so you can't really see it, but I believe it is being well done so you can see it clearly. So you close it by just putting both ends together, and then you join it by picking 1 bead. So you enter 1 bead on each side, and then just pick one, and then you cross it, or you tie a knot inside the bead. That will make it much secure. Okay. So it's now time for us to join it to the bag. Okay, this bag is simple. Okay, I have so many videos on it. You can check it up on my channel. Okay, I have so many videos. It's just a simple beaded bag. So I'll just go ahead and then fix the handle. So like you saw, I entered one bead from the ring, pick two beads, one on each side, and then I have picked this one that I am crossing here. So instead of crossing, I will just tie a knot inside it. Okay, so next I'm going to, with both sides of the thread, okay, each one on each side, I will enter these two beads, okay, respectively with their corresponding threads. Okay, so the thread in my right hand will go through this one. Okay, and then you do same to the other side. And then you pick one bead and then you cross it or even tie a knot inside it. Okay, and you can leave it here or continue. You enter one bead on each side, and then yeah, so you can choose to stop here or you continue down two more downwards, and then you are so good to go. So here you are, magnetic button fixed. I have two videos on it, okay, so you can check them out. Thank you so much for staying with me throughout this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in my next video. Bye bye.